Hi, all. Welcome to Data Ad YouTube channel. And for today's stream number 92, I will go through what I have explored over the weekend. So, there was one coding challenge in our organization that I was working on, and it's not kind of task actually, but it's kind of like try to explore that part topic and create whatever possible uh, for that particular topic. So this is the actual outcome. This is the outcome I have created to built in 2D or 3D plot viewer. So before we move to that, actually how that code I have created. So before that, let's try to check what was my earlier thought and what actually I have created. So earlier I thought that I will go with this similar race bar charts which we have seen in R mostly, which you can also create in Tableau as well. But most of the time in social media or different platform, we have seen these charts. Just to go through, let's check this one topic. Most of the time music gets give copyright, so let's without I will unmute only. So we can say that how over the time for different years CO2 emission from for different countries are showed here. So instead of showing just like tables and numbers, this method is always effective to show which particular category is affecting for that topic, or having more numbers for that particular uh, topic. Then over the time we can see that different like evolution for progress in that particular topic. So I wanted to go with this, but later I thought since I have already created it, I think a few years back I tried to do that same. Not sure now. I have created for sure that chart. But when I was using Python during that time, I have tried this in R because I couldn't find particular library in Python. So I tried earlier in R. So since I already had that exposure, I thought that I will go for other kind of animation this time. So first I got this link where uh, this particular library of R, which is GG Animate. In this we can create different animations, particularly if this is a chart, then we can animate it to uh, like this moving a scatter plot, which we also have seen more some of the time, which we also seen might seen some of the time in social media or coding kind of top post. So this one gives me interest, so I tried to work on that same, uh, just replicated this code and try to actually see how it actually works. So actually I gone through this code by code for this one. First you need to install GG Animate, then you can check one by one for that topic. It takes time to render that animation. You can see here. The only thing is that the this animation takes time for rendering. Here it shows like around 9 to 10 seconds. And once it's done, updated chart, moving chart, you can see here. As per different category, it can show different charts, or as per provided comment. Here you can see that axis is now adjusted, and it captures all available data, so there is no space, extra space we can see here. It auto adjusted. I think this is the same one. Same. Then this is the one. Temperature. This looks very complicated. This is for line chart. We can see the for durations, it's showing progress over the time. We can add points as well in these charts. It will update. Yeah, points. Then we can add more points, like for here we can see each point, it's now stationary, and there is upcoming points are there. So those are new things I have tried. I think I will use this in moving light chart in one of my project, but let's see if there is a requirement for that or not. Then also I tried to check another part. So this looks very I didn't like this one, and yeah, because it's very much complicated at times and very distracting. Then I I almost finished. I will go with this one, but later I found this part where we have this another library RGL. Uh, it's used for creation of 3D animated animation, and here we can see that few parts were like examples were shown. So this is for one of the 3D output, and this is for a perspective plot, and this is for scatter plot. This actually I liked most, which we have already seen in final output. So in this they use inbuilt data set or inbuilt data set, and based on that for your data set it required at least three columns with numerical format, and based on that you can create this simple a 3D plot. So what I thought earlier, that I will create I use that simple one Okay. Yeah, this one. So use same code, and you can see here that it's very kind of like uh, beautiful, this chart we can see here. We can see cluster, and based on this we can understand that on which section, which part there are cluster is available. I thought I can go with like learning part, where uh, cluster machine learning, where final output which I have created, like exact clusters were uh, defined on that final part. We can show this animation where like this is your model is shown final output, where in your data what are different clusters, so that we can develop for that part we can add this animation. But since I have not much time, I tried to go with simple for like output. So this is the output actually I have generated. So here these are different inbuilt uh, R data sets. It's not very unique which I have tried. Instead of this, I only use this all selected all data sets and created output in R Shiny. For x-axis, you can use like any numeric data. So let's see cars data set which we have already used sometime. So this is car data set, and okay, in car also we have only two numeric data sets. So where is iris? Okay, iris. So in iris we have four numeric data set, numeric columns. So on x-axis I have selected sepal length, y-axis I have selected sepal width, and on z-axis uh, I can select anyone, or and can keep just blank. But for if I select petal length, then if I click on plot, it will show, and after few iterations it will available in this like main body. We can see it on main body with highlighted column names also. So this is 2D plot, sorry, 3D plot. And if you select none, or if you have your data set have only two numeric columns, then also it works. So it will just show you a 2D reflection of it, that data set. So there is no animation, but overall with this you can visualize data as well. So this I have worked on partly, and actually we can see that data. Remove this. I will share this link repository. I will create this for this code. I will create repository, and we'll share link in a description, so you can also go through. With this, I have used uh, vibe. Later, I go for vibe code where I uh, have added more features like this one. So this seems very ideal for if you have additional data set, your own data set, or downloaded data set. So you want to check output for that downloaded data set. So this is the ideal code. Uh, yeah. So here we can have like a simple similar format which we have used earlier. you need to select all built-in data sets. And if you want to do not use a built-in data set and want to upload your own data set, then you need to you can browse or upload CSV files as well. So this is the one. Let me try show you. So this is social media engagement, and here we have likes, comments and shares. So those counts are available, and this is the output. So for this those that data set columns are not I think that needs to be updated for columns names, but it can be updated quickly. And one thing is that here we can see that detail 3D plot generated successfully. If you do not also you can keep you can update it as well. It's up to you if you want to that additional previous feature where you don't want to use third axis as well, z axis as well, so it can create 2D plot as well. So based on that you can select, or I think we have that here. Mhm. This is for 3D only. So three columns are required, or so here we have only two columns. So if you click on that, you will see only two numeric columns selected showing 2D plots. Okay. So this is the output I have tried to worked on weekend for today's week task. And with this like from last week I'm trying to have at least one session for data ad hoc, where what I have tried or explored different part of coding I am trying to show here. So this is the I think out of other session this will become my favorite session over the time, because I enjoy this kind of work. And I will also share this link in description. I will create repository out of it. So let me know which different any if you any use different kind of uh, animation in R or Python. So I will have also that reference as well. There are in R we have, apart from GG Animate and RGL, this is the actually standard documentation for GG Animate. I will share this link in description as well, so you can go through. I also tried to check this one for with Plotly, but the play button is very slow. You, this is the one. No, this looks very smooth, but which I have checked, it was very, yeah. This was very like shaky. Looks very shaky output, like a stop and uh, play kind of thing. So I didn't go for it. And also scatter plot, most of the time we have used or seen in different dashboards moving scatter plot, but this output actually I liked very much. This is also good uh, for this perspective plot, but I like this one very much, so I use that one. So also there are other output as well. I will share this link, uh, but this don't have very much clarity in output, but you can use that as well. Also they have other with this you can create this kind of chart as well. So that's it today for stream number 92 for this week task. Let's meet next time with another interesting data topic. Thank you.